Everybody starts at zero. Everybody starts at zero, even people that have millions of subscribers. Today, I've been able to grow my email list to over 50,000 subscribers. What I'm trying to show you today is how to build an actual healthy email list pretty quickly with people that are actually hungry for your information. How does that sound for you in terms of what we want to cover today? Let me know in the chat. How did that all happen? I started to just focus on one thing, building trust. The reason why I love automated webinars for building trust is that there's only 24 hours in the day, okay? I can't do live webinars like I'm doing right now with you, okay? Going back and forth with you every hour of the day. I need to sleep, I need to eat, I need to get some other work done, right? This is why automated webinars are something that is just like a backbone of my company. This is what I do all the time.